rock, I will put your name on the list to play None of Your Business tomorrow morning. You'll also get some jungle bucks. You can find more details on the show because tickets go on sale tomorrow on krockrocks.com. I'm going to take a look for all those details. Led Zeppelin is coming up. Your K-Rock weather next.
Hey, Dad, will you tell me a story about how you met Mom?
Well, I was listening to Saturday in the Shed like I do every Saturday.
Hi there. I was wondering...
If I could turn down the music, I know.
Actually, I was hoping you could turn it up. K-Rock rocks.
And that's why we named you.
Saturdays at Big Tom Shed is brought to you by Atlantic Recreation Limited, your platinum 5-star Yamaha dealer. Visit Atlantic Recreation, 17 Corey King Drive.
It's the season of performance at Acura. Wrap your hands around the wheel of the 2019 Acura MDX and step out in style. Lease rates are at their best. It's the season of performance event with up to $4,000 in cash incentives and lease rates starting at 1.9%. The 2019 Acura MDX.